With JIKKO, effortlessly balance workloads, prioritize orders, and minimize idle time, ensuring maximum efficiency and productivity in your manufacturing operations. Our manufacturing scheduling functionality enables you to adjust work schedules according to diverse variables, ensuring timely completion of tasks. From our intuitive interface, optimize production planning with complete flexibility at the click of a button. Adjust work according to changing demands, allocate resources efficiently, and adapt to unforeseen circumstances in real time. Stay in control with the Priorities dashboard, identifying potential delays or risks, ensuring seamless delivery to your customers, and minimizing disruptions in your supply chain. Say goodbye to time-consuming manual scheduling processes and hello to streamlined operations with JIKKO.